Gaa-ondakaanezid.
Jem, pinch me so I know I'm not dreaming. I can't believe we're going to Zagreb. Na mama Gaa-ondakaanezid.
She danced with the Zagreb Ballet, nah?
Yeah, I can't wait to see it. I almost feel like, ambiguous.
Danse is pretty intense about this trip. It worries me. Do you think she secretly believes she'll find Omamian?
She knows Omamian won't be in Zagreb, but it might be a good place to sort out some of that pain.
Дякуємо, що ви з нами на літака. Вітаємо до Загреб. Welcome to Zagreb.
Video, catch this! This is the before I got my Eastern European makeover.
Got it.
Dorita, are you Jem?
Yes, that's me.
My name is Anton. My government has sent me to welcome you to our country.
Miigwech, thank you.
I have a car waiting to take you and your party to the Zagreb Ballet.
Oh, the Zagreb Ballet.
We are pleased that you choose to come to Zagreb to make the video of yours, but there is one small problem I must warn you about.
What's that?
Victor Krosach. He's the head of the Zagreb Ballet. What he says goes, and unfortunately he does not think your music is good. So he does not want you here.
But our music is good.
Please, you don't have to convince me, but you have to convince Victor if you want to use the Zagreb Ballet in your video.
Then I guess we'll just have to convince him.
Oh, he dances so gracefully.
Було чудово, як завжди, Стефан. Прекрасно. Отже, дівчата, тепер ваша черга. Рухаємось, повільно, лагідно. Ні. Ви повинні рухатися як лебедина стая, а не як стадо слонів.
Але вони слони, які не мають ані таланту, ані смаку. Тому що сьогодні вони думають тільки про канадську рок-групу, яка приїздить сюди задля створення галасу.
Oh, I like their music.
Це робота дилетантів, Стефан. It stems from mediocre mind that don't care about art.
That's not true. We do care. We're as dedicated to our Gichi-miigwech as you are to your Nimiwin.
But we are actually good.
Не може бути.
Just ask me anything you need.
A tour of your facilities, Dash.
Me yet. I shall be your guide myself.
Dance, that handsome dancer is looking at you.
Gaa-ondakaanezid.
And this is our gallery of honor. All the great Ananguk of the Zagreb Ballet, past and present, are immortalized here.
That's the dancer we just saw.
That is Stefan Barishnikov, our current principal dancer. But he is nothing next to an equa I worked with years ago, Nadia Dvorak.
Ne mama.
Then you are Nadia's daughter.
Yeah, Nin.
Little Nadia, you have come home. Добро пожаловать назад.
But Giselle Indijnikaz.
Giselle, and of course you are a dancer. It's in your blood like Gimama.
Oh, about the video we're doing. We'd like to start tomorrow using some of your dancers, along with dance.
Anything for the Vidjavaganak of Nadia's Nidjanis.
Once he saw Danse, he sure went from unfriendly to charming, I think he's going for.
In Gikendan, it worries me a little. I wonder what he's up to. Rio, video, Ajana?
Hey, Aja.
Hausa, take it from the top. I'm rolling.
East is east and west is west, or some people say. But there will come a day our differences will melt away. Music and dance will help to bridge the gap. Music and dance will wipe the lines right off the map. Some say we haven't got a chance, but we'll break through it with music and dance. Dance and music will help us all join hands in a language each understands. Some say there's no movement
You were wonderful. Will you listen with Nin?
I'd love to, but I can't.
Why not?
Because she is dining with Nin. You are marvelous, Giselle. You move so like Gimama.
Miigwech, of course, I never saw her dance, but... Stefan, Beka!
Oh, let him go. A long walk will cool his temper. And a good dinner will improve your spirits.
Woganesh oo. If you want to learn about your family, go to the village of Bled. Jam?
Go to the village of Bled. Dance, do you think we should go to this Bled?
I think so. It's just I didn't even know I had any living family.
Huh. I do wonder who this unknown writer is and why they were too scared to speak to you directly.
Getting gay.
Надя, моя драгоценная и прекрасная Надя. You run away from Nin, but your Danis will never leave. This, I swear.
Weepa Jem Neyap Dabi Dagoshin Mi Zhigo Jem Aja Neyap Dagoshin.
So you want to go outside Zagreb to shoot some local color, and you want to take Stefan as well?
Meaning he's Dance's partner in our video. We'll only be gone niche nights.
Hausa, very well. And I think I will come along as well to look after Stefan and help in any way I can. Now, where are we going?
To the village of Bled. It's in the Julian Alps. I may have family there?
In Bled? How unexpected and wonderful.
All right, our train leaves at Nish. Gigawapa Miku.
Хорошо, I will be there. Promptly.
Ти їдеш в Блед? Чому?
Я їду тільки через Стефана.
Брехун, ти їдеш туди за дівчини, Надіної доньки. Вона робить з тебе дурня, як і її мама.
She makes a fool of no one. She's my friend.
If that girl knew what you did to her, Mamayan and Babayan, she would hate you.
Who will tell her, Gin? You helped me and I made you an Anang poet. And I can make you a has-been or worse if I choose. Remember that.
I'm getting some great footage out of this trip.
Oh, just look at Danse and Stefan. It's so romantic. I'm baby Jinago. Ge strangers Iwiwak.
Falling in love with a stranger can be a strange affair. Suddenly you see a stranger, and strangely enough you care. You see him in your daydreams, you dream of him each night. Falling in love with a stranger can strangely be alright. All at once it's all about warmth and affection. All at once your life strikes out in a whole new direction. Falling in love with a stranger is not so strange at all. Suddenly you meet a stranger, and suddenly you fall. It hurts you when you leave him. You hate to be apart, for you fall in love with a stranger. But the stranger is no stranger to your heart.
Dance, I'm so chicken that we met.
Gaining, Stefan.
Excuse me, Giselle. May I speak with Stefan a moment? Alone?
Mayet, Victor.
Keep away from Giselle. She's not for you.
You may be my artistic director, but you don't own Nin or Giselle. I will do what I like.
Stefan, Victor, is everything all right?
Yeah, Minange, just some business matters with Victor.
You have been warned, Stefan.
The inn we're staying at is just across the way, over there.
On vacation though, it's as comfy as it looks. Who cares? As long as it's got room for us all.
Get.
You sure are quiet, Giselle.
It's just, I've always dreamed I'd find a mama's home. This Odana may be it.
Ke papa, dash.
I never knew him, Baba. He passed away before I was born.
Good breakfast.
Another roll, anyone?
Miigwech, Where is the others?
Video took them for a sunrise nature shoot.
Oh, excuse me. Do any Dvorak's live nearby?
Dvorak's? Oh, Minange, the Dvorak's. Ich habe ihn nicht gesehen. Oh, I'm sorry, I don't know anybody by that name, excuse me.
Giselle. We have all day, we'll find someone to ask.
We won't give up, Dance.
Вибачте, пані, the Dvorak's lived on a huge farm just outside of Bled.
Can you take us there?
Hamayet!
Перепрошую, I'm sorry to bother you, but is this the Dvorak farm?
Yeah, it has been so for nizhak years. Nin Johan Dvorak. А ты кто?
Я называется Giselle. Ni Nadia Dvorak Odanicsan.
Giselle! Nin Gidaniko Bichigan. Welcome home. And who are your witchy-wagonag here?
Nin Viktor Krosach of the Zagreb Ballet.
Ой, вибачте, такого файного чоловіка лишив на холоді стояти. Будь ласка, ходіть до хати.
He sure went from Gichi to Gizana. And so suddenly.
And I have a feeling it has something to do with Victor.
This is very nice of you to have us for dinner.
Oh, you know, you are so much like Aunt Nadia.
Anna?
Excuse me. I need some fresh air.
Giselle, Pika. Giselle?
They don't want me here. I can tell. They hate me.
Come in. We do not hate you, Giselle. We're very happy you're here. But we are peasants, so we must be cautious because the one with you, Viktor Krosach, is a powerful enemy. We must not anger him.
I don't understand. How is Victor your enemy?
I could lose my farm by telling you, but I will take you to a mountain man who has nothing to lose. He will tell you everything.
Take me to him now. Bud lasuchka.
Hamayed, there's full the big gizes to see by.
I'll come too.
And I'll stay here and keep an oshkishik of Victor. Rio, and Victor.
He went outside right after you and Danse.
Oh, hi. Johan's taking Dance up into the hills to see a mountain man.
Then Victor must have gone after them to stop them. I'll go see what's going on.
How much further, Johan?
Not far now. It's just around the bend.
Stefan! Watch out!
An avalanche! Attack!
Grab hold, Victor!
Need Dance! Stefan!
Weepa Gem Neyap Dabi Dagoshin Mi Zhigo Gem Aja Neyap Dagoshin.
Stefan, help!
But get this shit, let me go!
We can't help her if we're buried too!
Ambe, we've got to help Danse. Ambe, Victor! You coward! You'll pay for this!
Johan!
Peter, get out the bin! Help us!
I'm coming, Johan!
There's an Equazians under here!
Hey, Gaa-ondakaanezid, we must hurry.
Me away!
Quickly!
Is she breathing?
Hey, but we must get her inside next to a nishkode where it's warm. My cabin is nearby. She'll be all right now. The ishkode will warm her. Johan, it isn't possible.
I know what you're thinking, Peter, but this Equazians is not Nadia. She is your Danish Giselle.
Then she is Nadia's Danse too, and I'll have no part of her.
Stefan, did he just say I was his Donis?
Peter, what happened to you was long ago. Your Danish had nothing to do with it.
Anishween, why has she come to torment me?
Are you really my Baba?
Hey, without a doubt. You look exactly as she did back then, when Nadia was the brilliant young Anung of the Zagreb Ballet, the jewel of Viktor Krosach's eye. But as devoted as she was to ballet, she was equally devoted to me, a young Canadian who decided to stay in this country after graduating medical school. This angered Victor because he wanted her to think of nothing but the ballet. He forbade her to marry me, but she defied him. We were very happy until a terrible flu epidemic struck Zagreb. The necessary mushkiki was in short supply, even to doctors like myself. One night, someone broke into my office and stole what mushkiki I had. I was unaware of the theft until I was suddenly arrested, accused of selling the mushkiki to the black market. Shichoa! Shichoa! Ah! I suspected Victor had framed me, but he is a powerful man, and my local language wasn't developed well enough at the time to stand up and plead my case. I tried writing to Nadia dozens of letters. She never answered me. When I most needed her, she deserted me.
Gaween, Namama didn't desert you. Victor told her you were dead, that you'd been arrested and then killed while trying to escape. But she never believed you were guilty. Immediately after that, she learned she was Gichi-miigwech, but she feared the oppressive and corrupt government, which she thought had framed and killed her husband, so she immigrated to Canada, where I was born.
But my letters!
Where'd you send them to?
To the Zagreb Ballet, of course.
And so Victor must have made sure she never got them.
Then, all these years I've hated Nadia for no reason? Fooled by the man who had sent me into prison?
Believe me, Mbaba, she never knew you were alive, and she never stopped loving you.
Then, she waits for me? Where?
Ngui, many years ago, I never saw her again. Oh, Mbaba, please come back to Zagreb with Neen and clear your name.
It's useless. There's no proof, and Victor could have me sent back to prison. Just leave, Majan. The very sight of you breaks my ode.
I'll make Victor pay for this, Mbaba. I promise you, I'll make him pay.
Victor?
Over here, Vera. Shut the door.
I have planted the illegal documents in the luggage of that Rio, and the equations making the video.
Gichi-miigwech. I put the stolen defense plans in Jem's suitcase. I already informed the police of this, so when Jem and Herr Vijivaganak return to Zagreb, they will be arrested as spies.
Giselle Dashwin?
I will take care of Giselle.
There are two of them now.
Danse, Daga Stefan will catch a cab by yourselves. That way you guys can talk.
Hamiyet, Miigwech.
Wigonen.
You are under arrest as spies.
Jem! Victor set a trap! Run for it!
Follow me.
Stop them! They're getting away!
That museum across the street. We can hide there. We need a cover. Synergy. Make us look like a Sanikanak.
They're not here! Search the building!
House Synergy. Show's over.
What are we supposed to do now?
I'm not sure, but I think I know someone who might be able to help us.
Victor, I've got a score to settle. I know about everything now. You're the one who framed Mbaba and got him put in jail.
I'm glad you know that we win. It saves me trouble convincing you my power. You see, all of your Vijivaganak have been arrested as spies.
Straw?
Only I can get them out of jail. Only if you agree to give up Stefan and stay here as my prima ballerina. I will see to it that they go free.
Victor, Neen, your prima ballerina.
It's time you retired, Vera. Which is it, Giselle? Your Vijivaganak spent their lives in labor camp, or your life spent in the ballet?
Don't give in to him.
Big Dash, I have no choice.
You do have a choice. I won't let you be used.
Mbaba!
Peter, get out of here before I have you arrested.
You took my wife from me, Victor, but I won't let you take my Donis. Tisha Rai. My letters. All my letters to Nadia.
And a lot of stolen defense plans. Victor planted these copies of these papers in our bags so we'd be arrested by the police.
Jem raised me before the inspector caught up with her. I convinced him to check here before creating international incident.
Well, do you believe us now, Inspector?
I don't know. Victor is a man of splendid reputation.
His reputation is all lies. He framed these people just like they say. I know because I helped him. Victor, I worshipped you, And you paid me back by throwing me aside for Nadia's Odanisan.
I think I've heard enough. The Canadians are free.
Imbaba! Oh, Imbaba, you saved us!
East is east and west is west, or some people say. But there will come a day, our differences will melt away. With music and dance, will help to bridge the gap. Music and dance will wipe the lines right off the map. Some say we haven't got a chance, but we'll break through it with music and dance. Dance and music will help us all join hands in a language each understands. Some say there's no movement, but I see improvement with music and dance. Will help to bridge the gap. Music and dance will wipe the lines right off the map. Some say we haven't got a chance, but we'll break through it with music and dance.
Dan says you're coming back to Canada with her.
Hey, Rio. Now that I'm cleared, I can finally come home. Together, we'll search for Nadia. I just hope she approves of Stefan.
Wipa Jem Neyap Dabi Dagoshin.